A windowsill garden is a simple way to introduce new aromas and flavors to kids. Start with basil, or how about some dill? Or the ever-popular peppermint. Encourage your kids to rub the leaves between their fingers, releasing the oils and aroma. Did you know that research shows that kids who participate in gardening, even windowsill gardens, those kids are likely to score higher in science achievement tests because it sparks an interest in how things grow and other facts about nature and science. It's these early experiences with nature that also contribute to kids becoming adventurous eaters. Kids can learn to love vegetables and have fun doing it. To learn more about the research behind windowsill gardens and 100 easy activities and recipes, Adventures in Veggieland.